C#, how to combine videos to H.264 MP4 file. Step 1, to install the Movie Maker Timeline SDK control installer from http://www.viscomsoft.com/products/movie-maker-timeline. Step 2, create new Visual C# project, select Windows Forms application. Step 3, in Solution Explorer, select References, right-click mouse to select Add Reference. Select COM tab, select Movie Maker Timeline Control SDK, click OK. Step 4, now you will see the Movie Maker Timeline control on Toolbox, drag the Movie Maker Timeline control from Toolbox to Form. Step 5, next add two buttons, Progress Bar Control, Open File Dialog and Save File Dialog on Form. Step 6, add the following code in Form Load event, zoom out to Timeline, let us see more video clips in same time. Step 7, add the following code in Add Clip button click event, let us add the video to Timeline. Step 8, add the following code in Save to MP4 button click event, let us set up the MP4 file setting and output MP4 video. Step 9, select the Movie Maker Timeline control on Form, select Properties. Select the Events tab, double-click it on Convert Progress to add the handler. Step 10, add the following code on Convert Progress. Step 11, select the Movie Maker Timeline control on Form, select Properties. Select the Events tab, double-click it on Convert Completed to add the handler. Step 12, add the following code on Convert Completed. Step 13. Now run the project, click Add Clip button to add the video to Timeline. To add another video, just repeat the process. Click Save to MP4 button, it will combine videos and output H.264 MP4 video. You may download this sample source code from Thank you for your watching.